Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable or prevent any website to use your microphone or access your microphone. So let's start by click three dots at top right corner of your screen and click settings, and go to the privacy and security and click site settings. Control what information sites can use and show. Here under permission there is a location, camera and microphone. Say sites can ask to use your microphone, click it. So this is your device, my microphone by system default. So sites usually use your microphone for communication features like video chatting. By default or default behavior, sites automatically follow these settings, like can ask to use your microphone. But if you don't want site use your microphone for communication, you can click on do not allow sites to use your mic. Feature that need a microphone will not work if you turn this on. So here you can see there is a list that not allowed to use your microphone. The site will be listed here. Allowed to use microphone will be listed in here. Feel free to try to turn on this feature, do not allow site to use your mic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.